Scott Groves here with another mortgage mystery. If you're enjoying this channel or you like these videos, do me a favor, just click the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the algorithm and gets our stuff out there to the masses. So today's question is one that I hear a lot. Why are my costs on my refinance so high? So maybe you bought a house several years ago and you had an interest rate at 4.5%. And now you're refinancing at a rate of 3.5% to save some money on your monthly payment. And you're looking at the closing statement for the refinance and saying, wow, why are my costs so high? Why are there so many fees associated with getting a refinance? Well, a couple things. In most scenarios, you should not be paying any points or origination points or origination fees other than maybe $1,500 to $2,000 for the lender, the underwriter, and the processor who are all working on your file. So if you look down at the little line item on any of your disclosures and you see points, origination fees, in the thousands of dollars, give me a call right away. We can compare kind of what you're getting to what's available in the marketplace and let you know if you're getting a good deal on your refinance. Now, on every refinance, there's going to be 3 buckets of fees. There's going to be the lender fees, processing, underwriting. Maybe you would throw the appraisal in there if you had to get an appraisal for the refinance because the lender wants to know what the property value is worth today, not what it's worth when you bought it. There will be a second bucket called the escrow, title, and third-party fees. These are all the people that help us close the refinance, make sure you're the rightful owner, notarize the documents, and basically they're the third-party entity that isn't influenced by the lender, who's just making sure all the paperwork is handled correctly, your old loan is paid off, your new loan is originated correctly and secured with the county recorder or your local municipality. And then there's a third bucket, which is called prepaid items, which will be the interest that's due to get you to your first mortgage payment. And if you have an Inpound or an escrow account, you might have thousands of dollars of prepaid insurance and taxes that are going in to fund that Inpound account. Now, what's interesting is if this is a refinance, and let's say you already had a mortgage with lender A, and they have an Inpound account, where you've been paying into that account every month to cover your taxes and insurance, but now you're opening a new mortgage, and unfortunately the lenders have not figured out, nor are we smart enough, to know how to transfer the Inpound account from mortgage A over to the new mortgage that you're using as your refinance on mortgage B. So what happens is we have to collect this money up front again on mortgage B, the new refinance mortgage. But as soon as we wire the money over to the bank that we're paying off your existing mortgage, presumably at a higher rate, or maybe you're refinancing to take some cash out, you will get a refund check from lender A for all of the money that you have sitting in your Inpound account. So it'll be a little bit of stealing from Peter to pay Paul. You'll be funding your new Inpound account with new money that you either pay out of your pocket or from the proceeds of the refinance loan. However, as soon as the money gets balanced, the old lender gets paid off, usually about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll get a refund for a similar amount of money that you just put into Inpound account B from Inpound account A that just got paid off. So don't be alarmed if you see a closing statement with some fees. If it looks like there's some shenanigans going on or the fees are a little bit more expensive than what you originally promised, give us a call, shoot us an email, get on our calendar. Our Calendly link is below so you can put some time directly on our calendar at a time that works for you. We'll review your closing statement with you, see if there's a better deal out there and if you should be refinancing with us, or we can help break down the expenses on that closing statement for a refinance. Again, if you're finding value with these videos, do us a favor, just leave a comment, click the like button, subscribe. It helps us help you. And if there's a question we haven't yet answered on the Mortgage Mysteries channel, then please drop a comment on what you would like to learn, and we'll record that video within 72 hours.